Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 folding scooter. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is S-Wing Folding Adult Electric Scooter. Specifications. Model, E5. Battery capacity, 36V 8.8 Ah, 31.2 Ah. Maximum load, 150 kilograms. Power, 400 watts. Max speed, 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Range, 30 to 100 kilometers. Material, aluminum alloy frame. Tire size, 10-inch Chaoyang vacuum tires. Brake system, ABS disc brake. Size, 113 by 27 by 48 centimeters. Color, black. Item number 4 is Blade GT2. Specifications. Model number, Blade GT2. Tire size, 11 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 90 kilometers. Foldable, yes. Charging time, 8-10H. Voltage, 60 volts. Power, 2500 watts. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Obarter D5 5000W electric scooter. Specifications. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, L1+. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 60 to 100 kilometers. Charging time, 6-8H. Voltage, 72 volts. Power, 5000 watts. Material, aluminum alloy. Max speed, about 70 kilometers per hour. Max load, about 150 kilograms. Warranty, 1 year. Item number 2 is high-end adult electric scooter. Specifications. Brand name, Meguan. Model number, M150. Tire size, 8.5 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 25 to 30 kilometers. Foldable, yes. Charging time, 6-8H. Voltage, 36 volts. Power, 201 to 500 watts. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 800W motor electric scooter. Specifications. Model number, M4. Tire size, 10 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 40 to 60 kilometers. Foldable, yes. Charging time, 6-8H. Voltage, 48 volts. Power, 501-1000 watts. Maximum speed, 48 kilometers per hour. Battery life, 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. Size, 115 centimeters, 56 centimeters, 120 centimeters. Maximum load, 150 kilograms. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.